Are you ready to uncover the heartbeat of Jamaican culture? Let's dive into the story of Coronation Market. All right, imagine this. Before emancipation, this bustling market was just a simple grass yard where people sold fodder. But beneath the surface lies a deeper history. This very spot was once a burial ground for slaves, earning it the somber nickname Duppy Market. Fast forward to 1936, Kingston's mayor, Herbert Simpson, officially established the market. 2 years later, during Queen Victoria's coronation celebrations, it was renamed Coronation Market, marking its transformation into an iconic landmark. But this market isn't just about goods, it's about freedom. Enslaved people traded their crafts here, earning money to buy their freedom. It became a meeting ground for maroons and ex-slaves, a powerful symbol of resilience and hope. And today, Coronation Market is Kingston's crown jewel, stretching over 2 acres. It's the largest wholesale market in the English-speaking Caribbean. Farmers from all over Jamaica bring their best here. Yams from Trelawney, melons from St. Elizabeth, herbs from St. Andrew, you name it. It even handles nearly 50% of Jamaica's small farm produce. But it's more than just a market. It's a vibrant, chaotic, unforgettable cultural experience, a place where Jamaica's spirit comes alive. So, if you ever find yourself in Jamaica, will you visit the stomach of the country? Drop a comment and share your thoughts.